Hi, I am stood in front of our ROE digital LED wall. It's a Jasper wall-mounted system. I'm at Midland Road Studios in Worcester, and Midland Road Studios is part of the Marketing and Technologies Group. Within Marketing Technologies Group, there is a PR and Marketing Services business, DMA Roper, a translation business, Midland Technical Translations, Midland Road Studios, which is our digital broadcast and conference centre, and a company called VX. Now, VX is important in terms of what this wall does. I'm stood in front of a VX environment. So what VX does is it designs, builds and renders photorealistic venues and environments for people to explore online, to present, and to become a hybrid and a blended solution for anything from sales demonstrations through to corporate presentations. So the VX system allows you to build a building, such as this one. It's photorealistic, it's explorable online, but one of the key things from that we need to make sure we do to achieve this hybrid blended solution that the clients are looking for now is to make sure that we can introduce people, real life people. Now, whether that is broadcast or pre-record, then it means that I can be stood inside an environment, I look real, as does the environment, and essentially it's about accessibility. So in the conference rooms here, we can accommodate 30 to 40 people quite comfortably, which quite often is a management team from a reasonably large business. Now, while we have a cafeteria and nice green rooms and changing rooms and an edit suite, then what we wanted for the studio to be multi-purpose for us. So essentially, the video wall is a built-in part of the studio. So we're using Brompton control, and as recommended by ROE, very pleased with it. Incidentally, we've used ROE equipment before. We used the Black Onyx system for quite a while and performed really well. Very, very good visuals, really good resolution. This is a 2.6 pixel. And it really hit that balance between quality, reliability, and visual fidelity. Also, the refresh rate's incredibly high, and we've got a huge range from no nits to 1500 with the wall, which allows us to balance the cameras and the lights within the studio very carefully. Super important when you're presenting from a 3D environment. Now, to get that level of realism for us is really important, and that's why we went for permanent install video wall. We still do the more conventional stage setups, but increasingly this gives people the flexibility to blend that virtual environment with a live event. So why else did we choose ROE? Well, technical support has been really very, very, very good. And I can't emphasize that enough. From my point of view as a business owner, my technicians and our production teams have all said, ROE is great quality, we've used it before, you've been in front of it. You physically look at how it's engineered, it's a quality piece of kit and it's reliable, which is what we need. So that's great from their point of view. But from my point of view, I need to be always on, I need to be always available, and I need support when I ask for it. So that's one thing that ROE absolutely excels at, is the support side of things. So we've always had access to engineers when we've needed them. Technical support has been super helpful. In terms of software and the overall system, their understanding of how the product is used within a studio environment is really, really good. So we're not stuck with a supplier who says, hey, here's your video components, get on with it, and then you have to work it out yourselves. So very much quality, very much something we're used to, very much performance, but also very much customer support. So from our point of view, going forwards, we're going to use the video wall for a lot of our conventional filming because we can put a simple background on it. We're going to use it for a lot of our interactive automatic presentations, and we're going to critically use it for chroma key and for live presentation, such as this, from within all our virtual environments. So we're very much using the product to fit a marketplace now, which is physical, it's hybrid, it's virtual, it's online, but it's blended. So that's really our solution for the next few years to make sure that we deliver what the market needs and make the most of what's a really effective, fantastic render and a really interactive environment. So, thank you, ROE.